Welcome to my game development theme. As always, first I start my development environment, then I play one round of my game, and after that I decide what I work on today. Starting takes a bit. First correct project, dev. Wait for my ID, wait for the terminal, one command to start stuff, wait for a few lines to appear so I know it's ready. Still working on the new class Spellmaker. Want to integrate the class more into the game to see how it feels. That is why I working on upgrades. Okay, it's ready, I can play. So do I will see. Once on localhost for me. It looks like freshly started, but let's know. $75 there was one. Is that fresh? Network Spellmaker again, I guess. So Fireline is the only thing which does damage, so I have to take it. Okay, I think. I try Spellmaker. Okay, explosion. I don't think explosion helps. Change spell type. Can go autocast or reset. I don't have reset, otherwise interesting. So I need reset to make something new later. So still, but I can cast on high range, so it's just stationary. This is not a problem. Okay, what do I get? Turret. Staging. I need staging too? I guess I take staging. So $8,500 is the next one. Okay, delete spell, new spell, change spell type. I have no add spell, so delete spell is not even necessary. New spell, change spell type. I go change spell type. I go into. Okay, now I have. Okay. Now will become more difficult because will attack me and I have to guess where they are running. Cannot. Okay, if they all come from the same side, this is. Okay, next. Proximity. What do I have currently? I have reset, I have staging, so proximity does work, but I have no spell for proximity. Let's take proximity. Okay, So I'm currently have to manage just with fire. This is not possible. Is it? What? Okay. Just put a lot of fire into this position. Then we're gonna wait mana again. This is bad. Can I create any better spell? Oops. Did I pull someone? Can I create some easier spell? Fireline. I mean, I can do proximity, orbiter, and create. Wait, I have the orbiter tool proximity. Can orbit a proximity for fire lines and. But I only have one spell. I mean, I could load, but let's try. Oh, he will kill me. Oh, lucky. He has a bit of spacing, which maybe protects me. Let's. 1 for my life. Doesn't log one here in. Okay. I sit here. When is 11 seconds? I could technically. Okay. Lightning. Lightning is the one which probably helps me the most. Let's think. Just click and kill lightning, I guess. So I have to add delete, I'm pretty sure. Staging, change, proximity, lightning, reset tool. Okay, I reset. I might just do a lightning. Okay, now I have one because this is not balanced. I one click everything. Okay. It doesn't even cost 1 million. This is far too high. Turret I could take. So now I have everything for. I have turret, I have staging, I believe. Yes, I have staging. Should I? Let's go to here. So I'm safe for now. No one will attack me here. Then I reset. I take a turret. Bit mana. I think I needed more range. I let him orbit. Go to the next stage and I give him single target lightning max damage. This one. Now, before I go in, I can. Oh, yes, of course. Delete spell. I can delete the spell. Okay. Everything. I have no idea if this is enough. I have to assume each one can do 10 million, so it should be enough. Yes, more than enough. They're trying to shoot. Okay, I won this round, and now what do I work on? Also, it won it because lightning is far too strong. So I was working on upgrades, continue upgrades, continue adjust tools. Only specific tools should be upgrades. Certain tools need to be added depending on upgrade choice. Okay, each upgrade is a tool choice. Close to white, clean up. I have upgrades here. Oh no, first is always version change. 113 today. Now fast again. Okay. I have to shortly look. I thought we go over all keys currently, but I probably now need to flex the tools with values so I know what is. They have a description. Here, is upgrade boolean is upgrade. Learns to upgrade maybe. Learned. So this should be learns to upgrade is 2 for stage. No, stage not. Reset also not. New also not. Delete also not. Spell tool. No. None of these is. They're all undefined and false. Explosion. Fireline. Lightning. Move. Okay. Also, it doesn't exist yet. I agree. Okay, now I can have it, but what did I break? Still not happy. Move tool functions. Doesn't see it. Did I make a mistake? Saved. Move tool functions. Spellmaker create tool. This is something different, so I'm not at the correct place, I believe. Here, okay, I'm the idiot. Here it's correct. I did not move the descriptions yet. because I didn't add move tools yet. Okay, I see. Seeker, trigger proximity. Okay. So each tool has the value now. Not each tool, the ones here do not. I need to think a bit. So this is now something my spell upgrade needs to check for. Get the key I get. Check if I already have it. Get the functions. If tool functions learns to upgrade, if this is true, do I again? No, let's do the other way around. Continue. This is not, I continue. So this means all these should now. Okay. Essentially, this should all. Wait, why are you small? Okay. So reload. Spellmaker. Approximate. Okay, now I have only these upgrades and not a skill point. Okay. I have these ones, but I don't have the supporting ones now. Let me think. Are only these missing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So staging needs to be added when staging is possible. Reset needs to exist from the beginning. New and delete. And spell type is autocast. This is what I wanted autocast as an upgrade, I remember. And I don't have the move tools. Oh, correct. So next is I have the description. It was the same as also I don't remember how I did it. I have here the text. Description, I copy, leave. Now I have to use it here. Okay, I have something like this. But this is not the tool functions, these are the move tool functions. Okay. Repeat. I copied from here, I guess. Go away. Description. Copy this one, paste it here, and I get the description. Does he? He does. Again here. No, this one. Description, okay. Now I have these set up. Now I should be able to use them as upgrades, I believe. So I essentially repeat just for move tools. Don't know them yet. Same. Just move tools. And I get this one, I guess. Okay, I hope this works. No, the execute doesn't. Additional info, this is no longer return, this is. What? I'm confused. Is Spellmaker create tool find? Ah, no, this is correct, but I don't know if it's an tool or move tool. So he will call undefined on here, I guess. Else I have to check for move tools. Okay, maybe now I have them. Let's find. No. I feel like I'm missing something. Oh, I will see. He's again somehow not remembering the window size. Okay. I class Spellmaker. Cheating. At skill point. No, didn't work. Really? Yeah, because they're in already. Okay, okay, perfect. I don't have any at the start. It doesn't matter. Character. This way. Okay. Now I should get the choice. Crashed it. Descriptions I did not change. This is correct. Next. Cannot read. Spellmaker default. I have no tool. I need at least one tool. And I want to have default tools. So I need either of these. I know that the tools I will add are in here. No, are not in here, are in here. I am interested in this one. Tool functions, learned, continue, else I put them in. Okay, let's start this way. This should work, I believe. Well, I start with staging, reset, new spell, delete tool. Okay, this is also what I want to change, but for now, proximity, lightning, seeker, turret, explosion, move, and fire. Okay. So far it's working. I think I have all. Now I have initial tools, maybe. Then I have special tools, which will be dependent. The staging tool has to be added when I add a staging spell. I think of it. I guess this is it. I have learns to learns to upgrade, learn from available from the start, Boolean, and these I want to flag stage not reset, yes. Oops, available from the start, available from the start. Delete. And this is not the special case. This is false. So now I should have less available from the start. I only have that to. Only it cannot be selected, doesn't matter. Oops. Me sounds weird that insert 600. Now delete. I think cannot go with the lightning to the low damage value. Let's verify. Damage factor 1. It was too high. On key up, on tick. Damage factor 10-1. Paint. I will change this a bit. Oh, here it's 20 and 1. Okay, no jumps, damage factor. I do 20 jumps. The damage factor. I check again. When we start. Spellmaker. I want lightning. Oh, shortly AFK. And I'm back. Okay, I was testing lightning, nothing started. So I'm interested in the highest damage value and the lowest. Still barely see it. But delete one more time. Left, low, right, high damage. Okay. No, it's a times 10. 40,000, 4,000. I can spam this so much. Something fell off. When I do one, lowest damage, highest. Oh no, now it feels correct. Mana cost is 2. So this is one. This is two. Okay. I okay, I checked it's actually correct. I was working on did I check the descriptions? I'm now unsure. No, it currently attaches to player, but doesn't matter. Proximity triggers next stage when enemy close, mouse move. Okay, but I think I have the texts behind it, so this seems to work. This means I'm now I have two tools. This is spell type tool and staging tool, which have to be added when I execute. Where is it? Who's responsible for it? Is it the ability? Wait, ability. He goes over here, execute option, another doorbell ring, shot AFK. And back again. Okay, I was missing something, and I need to add special tools dependent on move tool doesn't need it. Okay, here. I first of all need the functions const and function can have next stage, and I have to check if not C type. Yes, not option. How is it called? Spellmaker tool. Oops. Tool stage. Don't think I have it public. Switch stage. Okay, I search for stage. It's exported, so it should be switch stage. Okay, perfect. So if this is not found, I think it returns null. Undefined. Okay, also fine. Then I have to upgrade staging. Bottom. No. What? Tool functions. Tool staging functions. Tool staging functions. And do I push it to the start? Let's push it to the start. So I unshift. Was it unshift? Yes, okay. Okay, now I should get staging when I get a staging spell. So lightning does not have staging. Orbiter does not have staging. Turret has staging. So it might be. There's a lot of problems, but Symmetry has staging. Yes, I got the staging already, so I have to believe it works. Now, I need to start with a damage choice. This is also, so I could be unlucky, I guess. Explosion turret orbiter. Proximity lightning turret, fireline proximity, explosion, fireline, explosion, lightning turret, fireline, explosion, fireline. Why? You are a liar. Proximity, fireline, explosion. Why? Oh, there was maybe one. Turret is also a move seeker. This is perfect. None of these do damage. So how do I know it's the initial choice? Available on first upgrade choice. Question mark, Boolean. Okay, available on first upgrade choice. It has to be learned through upgrade. Okay, but fine. To fireline, lightning. These are the only three I can take. Okay, now I have to. Know if this is the case. God does ability or skill point used. Const is first upgrade choice. So true false like this. And it's interesting. If I don't have boss skill points, I shouldn't be here. So I should exclamation mark it? It doesn't matter. So if is first upgrade choice and tool function. What is the continue condition? Continue is if it's the first upgrade choice, but this is not. Okay, let's try. Lightning move orbiter failed. So what is the problem? This is true and this is true. I feels correct. Available on first upgrade choice is first upgrade choice. Yes, I'm an idiot. I forgot it on this side. Could even do it here. Can even break in this case because there's no break. Oh no, there's a break. Okay, next try. Okay, these are always the first. So currently lightning is the strongest. I believe. I think a bit. So lightning felt too strong, and should I balance a bit? Because currently the choice is explosion also worked, but on explosion I felt like I need to. One more check. No, lightning. I think it's still not good enough to see on the transparent. Version. No, not here. This is good enough to see here. Really? I'm already on. Let's go 30%. 20% I didn't like. Spellmaker, lightning. Okay, this I think is fine. It's only 2 mana. What is next? I have it's to make damage choice. This is done. Or it doesn't need it's a special flag. We only needs to include spell type. This is probably the next one. Do I make a commit in between? Maker upgrades or specific only flagged tools. Commit. Okay, let's clean up. I think this is done. The stage select is also in. There's also in start with one upgrade choice on class select. This is also in. So next is the spell types. This is a little bit different. How would this work? Let's close a few. Close a few. I'll just close all, I guess. Again. Let's go to no, it was in tools. The spell type tool. But this was part of ability Spellmaker, wasn't it? Available spell types here. Technically, I could this one has its own. Where do I define these? Up here. I think of it. I should send it to the upgrades, do it in the upgrades. But there is no list about spell types, Spellmaker spell types. Could put them in a list or array and then loop over them and add them too, I guess. Or the missing ones too. Because I have instant always. Okay. Feel like this could work. So let's make export cons Spellmaker spell types is instance and autocast. I want to start only with instant here. And now I need to add upgrade. Did they have descriptions behind it? I'm unsure. Where are the upgrades? Here. Now I have for one more key of. It's not an object. Let spell type of Spellmaker spell types if ability Spellmaker available type times includes returns a boolean search element from index includes spell type and I continue, else I will need let me think. Display text key. Display text is in the spell type. That's what is the additional info. It's a spell type. Probably. What is the description? I don't have it anywhere accessible. So for now I keep it or remove it. Now I need to execute. Else if Spellmaker spell types includes option additional info, and I will Spellmaker available spell types push additional info if Spellmaker where is it? Something like this. It's not switch stage, is spell type. Oops. Okay. Copy paste. To spell type functions. Unshifted. Why not? Okay, now maybe I have the spell type tool. Spellmaker autocast. Autocast should not be here. But autocast is available. This is, let's fix it first. I forgot this one. also do it this way. This is one more indent, isn't it? It doesn't matter in this indentation. But I can do this in this case because both are behind it. Okay. So I take explosion. This is incorrect. Why? Really? Smaller 0? Because I'm on -1. This is an interesting case. Okay. Lightning autocast. Nothing to fear. Maybe. Range is limited. Did autocast have a higher mana usage? I don't remember. But let's restart. I have also this one in now, and I can technically just add one here and it would be a choice. Just I'm missing the text. I have no explanation. But I had no. I could put more info behind it than just a string. Probably makes sense that I also put in a description. Let's make a type. Export type. Spellmaker. Spellmaker. Spell type. Data. And this is I have name, let's call it string description string and I would need this here. Yes, and this is name description spell type instant spell is cast instantly. I take it next autocast. Cast automatically when mana full. Now I have some thing behind it. Spell type name, spell type name, spell type name. Now I have this one. This spell type description. Option, additional info, something isn't matching. Includes, this is no longer include find. I have spell type name, this one. Okay, he's happy now. Now I feel like I should put this one in here. Based on what this means, I change the description when I add something. This means I have Spellmaker, spell type, zero name, zero description, and essentially this is what I have to add. When I upgrade execute option here. So I push it in, but I have to find the tool. Which means let's find it, I guess. Tool. Wait, is it in the tool or is it in the function? I think it's in the functions. Tool. No, I have the description here. Can I? This is already... I cannot. I have to recreate it. Can I? No, 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 now I'm confused. This is not, I have to create it new for the tool. This is not an upgrade, this is in here. Ah, here is it. Okay, 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 I can change it. Tool description is something like this. No, 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 wait. I have a new part of text. So I could check if tool is found, which has to be found, but consider it's possible to not find it. This does exist. CTX, do I have CTX here? I have game CTX. Probably, no, I don't, and I need a short break. I will be back. And I'm back. I forgot. I said sometimes on the left visible and sometimes because it's moved. Interesting. It's again because Solly will know. Yes, it's again broken. P close open again. Don't take so long. What did I do? Did I break? Probably I have a broken state, yes. Where was I? Ah, I see. I need not this one. Should have tool description, texts, push, this one. Not quite this one. Is it now? I need the index, don't I? Do I access it? I find it here. I would like this result. Then I have to spell type data const if spell type data. This I have, then I do this one. And then I should have name and description. And I put this in, and he should texts. Maybe this works. Spellmaker. Explosion. Airline proximity. Autocast. Autocast is now interesting. What did I do incorrect? I push. Eh? Unexpected. Unexpected. Instance, built him autocast. I don't see how this happened. Does the description have everything? Okay, I might have made or find a reason. I think it was in here. So I don't need this one, I guess. Let's see. Spell is cast only when mana full. Okay, this is not... Okay, I see. Now back to upgrades. When I get this one, because I need to add more. This is spell type. Add spell type. This spell type name. So autocast add spell time autocast spell is cast only when mana full. I crashed it. No, I didn't crash it. I paused it. I delete. Do I do? Autocast. It's working also often, it's not connecting. Is this enough? I feel like it will not be enough. Is it firing on the highest speed? I guess it is. Yeah, I added a few more. Wait, did it autocast when I'm in here? No. Because it's my current work. I feel like it's a tick slower now. 2 mana, yes, it should not. But what is next? I have the spell type upgrade, I guess. Spellmaker upgrade, spell type, commit. Autocast each spell, not just the selected one. Okay, I remember something. Can I shortly check? So I go again, Spellmaker, I take lightning, I give me a few boss skill points. Autocast is the one I needed. He's casting it here. Oh, he's casting it a lot faster. Really? Yes. Okay. Set tool, new spell. No. Who switches it? It's not cast because I don't have it selected. Okay, this is indeed wrong. Should he randomly cast? Should he cast in order? What would I want as a player when I have multiple autocasts? That he casts both, don't I? Hmm. Because the idea is I can change the spell while my autocast is protecting me, I guess. Okay, so it's happening on tick. Cast ability. I get the Q and spell. This is not what I want. I always cast when they are autocast. Okay, so this is changed. I will loop over each spell. Oops. Now let me cast this. I will have that spell of ability spells. And I have Q and spell is this one. The spell type is autocast, and I have some mana. I will cast it. The problem with this is that I will only cast the cheapest spell, which is not what I want. So I can have autocast spell index number. He should complain, yes, but this is just a 0. Now when I tick ability, if I have to think a bit. It constantly search if I'm autocast spell. Okay, why not? I don't care. I think a bit. I could also allow undefined. But then I would need to act when I use a tool, which is fine. I think I can do it. Okay, change in plans. AutoCast spell index can be undefined because it can be undefined. If AutoCast index is not undefined, I have to do stuff. Const current AutoCast equals ability TSM spells index. Then I have to check if this is an AutoCast. And I cast the ability. Then I have to do I equals 0 ability SM spells links plus plus gives me the let's call it the next AutoCast would be plus I, but wait, do I start on 1? Probably. But I need to modulo this. TSM spells links. If next AutoCast then I will need the index here. Oops. Next index. Next index. Next index. What did I break? It's possibly undefined. What did I break? It checks that it's not undefined here. It's not undefined. So you are lying. I am confused. Shouldn't this be definitely a number? Why do you need it here? Something should be off. Okay, let's go over it one more time. If I have an autocast spell index, then I get this spell. I check if it is autocast. If it is not, then I have a problem. Then I just never cast it, I guess. So I needed to cast something. I still don't see why this needs to be number. Why doesn't he see it that it's a number? No, he doesn't complain. Because I didn't have the break? Interesting. Okay. But let's hope this is correct. I get the spell, check if it's autocast, and say cast this one next. Now I should be able to cast multiple, but I do not. Set this value currently. Yes, spell type. On tool select spell type. The question is if it is changed to autocast. I need to check if current spell type is Spellmaker spell type autocast. I need to check. And end. Ability. This is undefined. I will set ability to what is no spell index. Yes, spell index. So I have a spell type autocast now, and I don't have the autocast index, and I do this. And my other check should be else if so if this is not undefined, then I should check if spell. No, this is not everything. And ability spells. Ability autocast spell index. It's not autocast, then I would need to find a new one. Or I delete it. Let's spell off. Oh, I need I. Ability spells what? Spells fat fingering a lot. If this is the case, this is I. If I have an autocast, let found autocast false. Found autocast true. Autocast spell index I. Wake. If found autocast is false, I have ability is undefined. Could work. Let's see. So Lightning Seeker have autocast. No delete. I see. Autocast is not autocasting and autocast is placing stuff. This is not what should happen. Cast ability. Function cast ability. I need to export it, don't I? Because I have to cast it. From where do I cast it? Oh, from here. I don't need to export it. Tick ability. Function spellcast. I just try. Do I need here? Ability SM. Action owner cast position. Okay. Let's just copy for now. The key down is not required. the cast position. Okay, so this one is not required. And this can already be Spellmaker. So I can call it this for now. Now I have ability ID. Oops. All also here. Okay. Owner ability SM cast. No. Name. Okay. I believe I can now change it up here. Make a spell cast. So 0, I don't need 2. No, I don't need a 2. Ability SM. Okay, now this should be what I want. Autocast. Okay, but I can new spell. Go to the next spell. You have to cast it. Doesn't work still. Why? I failed. Tick ability. Spell cast if I have the mana. Autocast spell index. He acts on. Do I have a return somewhere? No. Do I use this value somewhere? No. Here I. So I might. I only switch to here. I don't see what I'm doing wrong. Let's debug, I guess. No. Skill point. Explosion, Seeker, Firelight, Autocast. Again. Also use explosions once in a while. Okay, now I do a new spell. I switch this off. And why is he off? What is not happening? I have a spell index. Interesting. So he says 0. I get the 0 spell. The 0 spell is an autocast spell. Do I have the mana? My mana is full, I believe. Yes, my mana is full. Spellcast. Ah. I need spellcast the Qn spell. Okay, I'm an idiot. I see, I see. So I need spell index, number. And you are out. And here I have DSM spell index. Whoops. Oh, wrong order. And here's a different spell index. The auto. Wrong order again. Yes, wrong order again. Okay. Now. Spellmaker. Allow lightning. Autocasts. I put lightning in. Go off autocast. Now I do new spell, switch over. He still casts this. No, I put here smaller lightning to put it on autocast. Okay, now he's casting both. Let's add the west in. I do new spell. I do turret. I want a turret. Give it mana. Give it. Where's my orbiter? Here's my orbiter. And give it as a stage. Why are you on autocast? Okay, no, he's not. Because I didn't switch. Aha, oh god, delete. Let's make an explosion for some. Now I go on. I need a new spell. I do fireline here. So an autocast. Add new spell. Go on 3. Put in the turret. The turret gets a bit of mana. The turret gets orbiter. I need a different stage. Where's the stage? Here, go stage 1. You get. No. Delete. Wait. Delete tool. No. Wait. It's not reset. New spell. Go to this one again. Go to stage. Stage should have resetted. I don't care for now. Another try. To it. Give it mana. Give it orbit. Give it stage 0 lightning, not fire. Lightning here. and put it on autocast. Okay. It's working like I want. Can delete. Okay, this one I cannot. Do I delete? Delete resets it. Okay. Yeah, correct. Okay. This means I have no more spells. This will use itself up after some rounds. Now they are gone. Okay, how's even my time? 2 hours. I reached my time limit. Not limit, but time target. And I am at a place where I feel like I can come to a break, to an end for today. Spellmaker, autocast, looping. Let's call it this way, commit. Okay, I want to run tests. Test replace. See if everything still works. It should work because I only changing Spellmaker, which is not part of the tests currently. Okay, everything works. This means I can push it and gets deployed. I think this is done, so I can delete it. Autocast while in Spellmaker mode. Is in preview X again next, but what next is I maybe test Spellmaker, play Spellmaker basically. Does it feel? I probably need to balance the Spellmaker a bit to get a better feeling. Let's see. This is probably the next part. The UX is not important because I know how it works. And this is good enough. But I guess this I come to an end for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. The end.